Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the topic is the application of the room GPT indoor space renovation. And we will talk about the topic from the 5 parts. The first part is the project background introduction, course project overview, project objective setting, implementation process planning, and achievement delivery requirements, and research purpose and signification. The first, solve the problem of the low communication effection in traditional interior design. And third, lower the professional threshold from interior renovation and promote the population of the green renovation speed. And the second, functional feature of the room GPT. Base introduction to the tool. Core technology architecture based on the GPT-4 vision language model and integrate with the 3D space pre-spectrum region. It can turn 2D floor plate to the general 3D regenerative, such as upload a new apartment floor plate to the produce 3D style in the 3 seconds. Optional process design. User only need to upload the room photo and speak the input style preference, and the style will generate 3 sets from the renovation of the street with the 1 minute spot VR data security chains. And the main functional feature, intelligent matching of the space style. After use, upload the floor plan. Room GPT can generate 3 sides of the tree based on the keywords such as the chain style. For example, is matching a Japanese Meiji style renovation to the 19-kilometer old house in Shanghai. Tile preview of the 3D effects. Enter the instruction, open the feature renovation, and the style generates 316 promos with a 3 second use. User can drop the process to the real details such as plumbing, layout, the lighting effects. Intelligent recommendation of the housing products. According to the generates, the Nike style is for the reconnect products like the iPad and so on. And the operation process describes upload the space based on data. User can upload data such as room size or the light direction. For example, Beijing use upload data of the 13 kilometer north face bathroom, and the style schematically generates 3D models. The selection, renovation style and requirement, and the generation street and the real-time adjustment. Advantage analyze. Personal design strip generates cost style real-time streaming. Intelligent calculation of the cost budget. The limitation description. The first one, high dependence on physical space data limits style regional region. And the second, the high hardware equipment requirements.
Good everyone, let's move on to the third main part, space renovation practice. Next, we'll use a real case to show you how Room GPT works in actual indoor space renovation. First, let's introduce the original space we selected. It's a typical apartment living room in Malaysia, covering about 20 square meters. The original style was modern light luxury, with leather, furniture, and grey tones as the main elements, but there were obvious issues. The black and white checkered carpet visually divided the space, making it feel cramped. The soft decoration were messy, with the conflict between green plants patterns and the geometric carpet. The wall paintings didn't match the light luxury style well, and the open storage shelves were prone to dust and lacked practicality. Now let's analyze the key problem of the space in detail. First, natural lighting was insufficient. The dark gray walls paired with the dark rug. Dark surfaces absorb light, making the space feel narrow, heavy, and visually oppressive. Second, the layout was messy. The L-shaped sofa was quite bulky, which limited walking space and made the area look cramped. Third, the style lacked cohesion. The furniture's color and materials were mixed, and the space leaned more toward functionality with a weak sense of design. After clarifying these problems, let's talk about the AI transformation process. The first step is spatial data acquisition and demand input. We collected detailed data of this Malaysian apartment, including room size, lighting, direction, and other basic information, and input it into Room GPT. The second step is scheme generation and visual presentation. The system efficiently processed the input data and generated 3 renovation plans in just 10 seconds. All plans focused on light-colored furniture with clear 2D with renderings and detailed material lists, providing comprehensive references for the renovation. The third step is scheme optimization and detail adjustment. Based on actual needs, we made targeted modification, replaced the existing black and white checkered carpet with a light blue-colored one, and swapped the bulky original sofa for a lighter style one to solve the problems of cramped space and insufficient lighting. That's the whole process of the space renovation practice. Next, we enter the fourth part, evaluation for transformation effect. We will analyze the effect from 3 core aspects: improve space utilization, optimization of lighting and ventilation, and rationality of functional areas. First, let's talk about improved space utilization. After the transformation, the furniture layout is more rational. We adjust the proportion of the sofa, coffee table, and TV cabinet, ensuring reasonable spacing between them. The traffic flows become clearer, making daily activities more convenient, and the problem of limited walking space from the bulky sofa is completely solved. Now let's talk about Room GPT's practical value in indoor renovation, mainly in 3 aspects. First, layout and flow. We unified the space into modern Nordic minimalist style, consistent colors, materials, shapes, adjust furniture proportion and spacing, making traffic flow smoother and daily activities more convenient. Second, style cohesion. Consistent design elements create a stronger sense of design, eliminating the original messy look. Third one, visual effect. Light-colored walls, wood furniture, and natural light and hidden strips make the space brighter, more transparent and spacious, fixing the dark, cramped issue. AI design has the main limitations we find in practice. First one, spatial scale bias. AI may generate furniture that's ill-sized for the actual space, matching real needs. Second, cultural custom gaps. It can't fully integrate regional habits, leading to impractical designs. And the third one is material texture distortion. Renderings fail to truly restore real materials textures, creating a gap between virtual design and physical results. At the limits, GPT has a bright future with three key trends. First one, multi-model interaction upgrades. IKEA and GPT's pilot lets users upload 4 plans. Plus voice demands, AI generates 3D plans instantly. 40% higher efficiency. Text and voice or image interaction will be more common. Second, personalized design depending. GPT's smart living module create tailored plans for young solo dwellers. Future AI will better adapt to individual habits. And the third one is faster physical implementation. Partnered with Red Star Mechanic, GPT connect design to direct building materials order, delivery down to 7 days, linking virtual design to real renovation. That's our presentation on GPT's application in indoor renovation. Thanks for listening. Feel free to ask questions. Please. Thank you.